Hello guys, welcome back. Today, there's three kids. Three kids. You know three kids? Yeah, because three kids. There you are. There's a cat. Yeah, there's a cat. This the white cat. White caterpillars. This is a white cat. This is not skin and suits. They are just there. It's not birding to stew. It's just you found the three kids doing one. This is a box cat. What the hell? Stupid cat. Okay. 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 White cat, blue cat. Yeah, next blue cat. Over here. This is a blue cat. Yeah. Wait, you didn't know that? Everything is just erased. Yeah, wanna so? Okay, Mike is excited. Yeah, everything just erased. Everything is just erased. Whoa, is everything erased? Holy race. Wait, where is it? Wait, this is where is a stray cat? There's no stray cat. There's stray cat got deleted. Stray cat. Now you can't find it here. Yeah, this everything just deleted. Yeah, no reason because it too this map is too laggy. Wanted to developer too laggy. It's decided to delete this everything map. Yeah. No, this is not server. Next. Gray. This cat, yeah, this cat. What it called it? It's gray and the gray cat. Yeah, there you are. This is so creepy. Yeah, it's just a cat. It's not a give you not everything. It's just a yeah. Same a blue cat. Let's go. Orange cat is here. Yeah, it's a black eyes. It looks really creepy. Yeah, it's just everything a cat. It's just a cat. Yeah. No, not a zebra. I think it's a ragging. Black cat. Over here. Yeah, this is over. Sadly, this map is racist too. This is raggy. No. Yeah, over here is raggy. But I need so a FPS. Whoa, it's lagging bit. No. No. Okay. Sorry, I can't big because this map racist too. Because the drivers can't do it because this thing can disappear. Yeah, you should rack out. Yeah, like this. No, not right. There's a cat. Yes, cat. Why there's a car? It's because I drive this thing. Yeah. This is a cat. Yeah, this is a cat. Yeah. A hard cat. He dated me. Shut up! I don't want to date you. Yeah, this cat don't give you everything. Yeah. Guys, there's something. There's three cat location. Yeah. Number one. This weird mango. What I got name Zadly guys. Sorry guys, I got name mango. Yeah, it's same name I don't know. Okay, there's dun da boom here. Look at this. There's it. This is a dun da boom. This there's. If you ever saw that, it's so cool. Added this. Yeah. You go over here, you get something a mango. Yeah. Finally, ready mango. 2 or 3, I don't know, guys. Okay, let me get out of this. Let me, I just get out, please. No, no. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Okay. You need to go there. Yeah. You go there. Me so wagging. So we got. Why are you wagging? Shut up. FPS. Okay. You get something. Saddle Bunny. You know Saddle Bunny. It's a very Saddle Bunny. Yeah, you get something. Yeah. You just Saddle Bunny. Yeah, there's a fast bear. Where's fast bear? Fast bear. Fast bear. Oh, I found it. There you are, fast bear. Freddy. Wait. Fast bear or Freddy? Oh, name's Freddy. You get a toy Freddy, not a Orango Freddy. There's no eyes. No eyes. You need to make it. And make it like this. Not every YouTubers can. YouTubers is wrong. Like this. Yeah. This is like this. Yeah. You like this eyes. And not the weird eyes, okay? Weird. Wait, there's others. There's Golden Freddy. It's you. We are need to find Golden Freddy. Where is it? Where? Okay, guys. No, I want to go up. We are need There's a Golden Freddy. Yeah, Golden Freddy. There's the Golden Freddy. You get the Golden Freddy. Yeah, Golden Freddy. But Virgin, I found this thing. But I found the street cat. There's a puppet. Yeah, you know the puppet. It's crying purple and white guy. But I found somebody a Ruby. Yeah, Ruby. Yeah, the name's Ruby. He got it how he can. I said how he don't know everything. He's just a kid. He's just a 9 or 6 kid. Yeah, 6. 6. Oh. What the hell? I rolled it so far. No, this is so laggy. Yes, you know where Freddy is. Yeah, there's a extra puppet. Yeah, puppet is so hard to get. I don't share everything. Let me. Oh, what just happened? Yeah, I can't find this puppet. I found this screenshots. Very sad. I don't know. Is it? I don't know, guys. Sadly. Sorry. That's all. But puppet is strict. No, I really. No, this is creepy. Cause I hear the sound. No, you scared me. I hear the sound. Boom, boom. That mean boom, boom. It scared me, guys. Almost hacked my device. And bye. Guys, and bye. Bye bye.